So sometimes when people look at the hood of the car, they see loser, but they don't see the V with the lover. So I just want to touch up the V just a little bit. Did I make it better? No, but I'm out of red. Got a little campfire going, got some old poetry. Sitting in the parking lot, found me a shady spot. Got 2 new lighters, wanna play game Street Fighter. 1 lighter white, 1 lighter gray. 1 got a rose, 1 got a snake. Need to have me a rodeo, a ranch house on the lake. You gonna burn the ball, bailee. Cleaning up just a bit in our little hamper here. I'll put the dirty clothes in there. Little campfire cigar talk. So would it fit like this? Do it go better with the butters, the Wheaties? Or do it go better with the black? If I change the jacket, do it go to bed with the black? Or the butters? The last thing to sort out is the jackets, but I like to just switch them out and change these out. As long as they're just stacked up and laid flat on top of each other, that'll be okay. Alright, so it's not perfect, but shirts folded, stacked up, little sweaters, and pants. Then from there, as you can tell, shoes, 12 jackets. Couple right here, couple right there. So in the middle, I know what I like to change out a lot is shirts and hats. So the shirts already stacked up right there. That's easy. The hats, I decided to keep them in this, not a swing set, but you know what that thing is called. Yeah, that. Now, the blanket is here. There's some other little sweaters. And on top of Bailee's puffer vest and a couple underneath these sweaters right here is Graffiti silk. Yeah, all the whatchamacallits, stuff to do to try to keep it alive and stuff like that. At least keeping it warm, you know what I'm saying? And that's how I'm gonna try to insulate it. That's how I'm gonna try to insulate it just a bit. That way it shouldn't get too cold. It shouldn't get too cold. So it's not gonna be too cold in there. Survive one day. I'm gonna put some crickets in here, and that's gonna be an awesome day. Outside of that, this broke, so the handle on this side, the strap on this side, broke off. It's supposed to be attached like it is right here on this one. So what I'm gonna do is just cut a hole into it, poke a hole, and then use some rope and tie it back around so it can hang back up. So one of the issues was when I recline the seat back, it will put a lot of stress on the strap, and I'm assuming that's most likely why it broke. So now that's how I'm going to adjust this. Put this at that length, so when I lean back, it will be comfortable enough to, you know what I'm saying, still, whatchamacallit, it can stay hanging. So either way, it's always just gonna be up. I'm good with that. And I don't gotta worry about all the lighters falling out. And they can all just be in there. I can keep everything back here now, again. On the flip side, got the glue, screwdrivers, the handy stuff. In case we gotta do some work. In case I need to want to cut this off, got some scissors. What color are the scissors? Gold. What color is your lighter? Gold. What color is your pen? Gold. Also with the hats, just I guess to give it a little weight as well, because when I kept losing the books, I was like, yo, I need to be able to find a book easy. Got the books right there.